Okay, so this will be our last example for this lesson. Solving a system of nonlinear equation by elimination. Okay, ito ang applicable sa lab. Dapat eliminate mo na yung talagang hindi mo sineseryoso. At itira na lang yung sineseryoso mo. Ganon. Okay, this time we have 4x squared plus 25y squared equals 41. So, this is an equation of an ellipse. And the other one is 36x squared plus 25y squared equals 169. And this is another ellipse. Okay. Now, elimination method is very convenient to use when we have terms. Kung meron tayong terms na magkaparehong coefficient, magkaparehong variable, magkaparehong exponent. Ayan. So, meron ba tayo nun? Ay, wala. Meron. 25y squared at saka 25y squared. Because elimination method or the goal of elimination method is to eliminate one of the variables. Okay? Or tanggalin yung isang variable. So, since magkapareho sila, tignan mo yung mga operations or yung kanilang mga sign. Kapag magkapareho sila, you subtract. Pero kapag hindi sila magkapareho, you add. Okay? So, since magkapareho sila, we are going to subtract. So, let us subtract. 4x squared minus 36x squared is equal to negative 32x squared. And then 25y squared minus 25y squared, that is equal to 0, equals 41 minus 169, that will be equal to negative 128. Okay, so simplifying further, we have negative 32 x squared equals negative 128. And then to get the value or to leave x squared alone here, we have to divide both sides by negative 32. Okay, so that will be equal to x squared equals negative 128 divided by negative 32 is equal to positive 4. To get the value of x, you have to extract the root of both sides, so that will be x is equal to positive and negative 2. So we have two values of x. Okay, so we have x is equal to positive 2 and x equals negative 2. Ayan. So, gagamitin natin yung isa sa mga equations natin para makuha natin yung value ng y. And practical wise, para mas madali, piliin mo dapat yung may mas mga mabababang coefficients. Okay? So, ito ang pipiliin natin. So, anyone or any of this can do naman. So, 4x squared plus 25y squared equals 41. Ayan. So, substitute lang natin yung value ng x. So, 4 times 2 quantity squared plus 25y squared equals 41. So, that will become 4 times 4 plus 25y squared equals 41. And then, 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 25y squared equals 41. The next thing that we can do is to transpose 16 to the other side of the river bank. So, 25y squared is equal to 41 minus 16. And so, 25y squared is equal to 25. Extract the root. Ay, hindi pa pala. Divide muna. Advanced na naman ako. So, y is equal. Buti na lang at alam ng ballpen kung anong ginagawa niya. Ayan. Kahit hindi na siya natidiktahan. Extract mo daw. Okay. Y now is equal to positive and negative 1. Ayan. So, we have our first two pairs. 2. Palaging mauura yung value ng x. 2 and positive 1. And 2 and negative 1. Ayan. So, those are the first set of our examples. But do not forget, we still have here another value for x. So, we have 4x squared plus 25y squared equals 41. Ayan. Lagyan nga natin siya ng ganyan. Okay? So, we have 4 times negative 2 squared plus 25y squared equals 41. So, we have 4 times 4 plus 25y squared equals 41. So, 16 plus 25y squared equals 41. Ayan. So, pareho sila. So, wag na natin lokohin ang sarili natin. Ang lalabas din dyan ay y equals plus and minus 1. Ayan. So, we have our next set of solutions. We have negative 2 and positive 1. And negative 2 and negative 1. Therefore, our solution, dito ko na isusulat ang solutions natin. Solutions are, we have 2 and 1, and 2 and negative 1. And then we also have negative 2 and 1, and negative 2 and negative 1. Ayan. Okay, so let us check. Piliin natin yung isa dito at saka isa na yon. Okay, tignan natin kung equal sila. So we have, ito na yung checking natin. Checking. Okay, so we have here 2 and 1. So we have 4x squared plus 25y squared equals 41. Okay, so 4 times 2 squared plus 25 times 1 squared equals 41. So, 4 times 4 plus 25 times 1 equals 41. So, we have 16 plus 25 equals 41. And 41 equals 41. Ayan. And then, try natin yun. Negative 2 and negative 1. So, we have, yung isa pa pala. Sorry. 36 x squared plus 25y squared equals 169. So, 36 times 2 squared plus 25 times 1 squared equals 169. So, 36 times 4 plus 25 times 1 equals 169. Okay? So, 36 times 4 is 120 plus 24 is 144 plus 25 equals 169. So, 169 equals 169. Okay? So, this one satisfies our system. So, we have 4x squared plus 25y squared equals 41. Okay, so we have 4 times negative 2 squared plus 25 times negative 1 squared equals 41. So, we have 4 times 4 plus 25 times 1 equals 45. So, 16 plus 25 equals 41. Bakit naging 45 na? Okay, 41 equals 41, sorry. And then we have 36 times negative 2 squared plus 25 times negative 1 squared equals 169. And we have 36 times 4 plus 25 times 1 equals 169. And 144 plus 25 equals 169, and 169 equals 169. Okay, so therefore, these are real solutions of this non-linear system. Okay, and you check whether these two are also solutions. Okay, so there you have, people of the Philippines, yung kung paano mag-solve ng systems of nonlinear equations. Okay? So, abang-abang kayo doon sa Schoology para sa inyong quiz for this week. Ayan. Okay? Kung meron kayong hindi naintindihan na part ng ating mga examples, you just comment down below. Okay? So, that will be all. Thank you for watching.